If we have some information about a parabola, we can come up with an equation for it and also a graph. And actually, we're going to find a bunch of other stuff about this particular parabola also while we're at it. First thing I'm going to notice is the vertex is at 0, 0. Okay, I can do that. There's 0, 0. And the focus is at -2, 0. That's here. The focus is inside the parabola. So just from those two pieces of information, I can tell that in order for that point to be on the inside of the parabola, my parabola is going to have to open to the left. Which is important for graphing. I can also tell the value of A. A is the distance and direction of the focus away from the vertex. Well, the distance is 2, and the direction is to the left, which would be the negative direction. Since it's in the negative direction, my value of A is going to be negative. So I can say, I can tell from this that the value of A for my equation is -2. Well, if I know that A is -2, or the absolute value of A is 2, I can also find the directrix, because it's the same distance away in the opposite direction from the focus, the same distance away from the vertex in the opposite direction. The directrix is a line, not just a point, but I can tell this point's going to be on that line. The directrix doesn't touch the parabola, so since my parabola is opening to the left, that's going to be a vertical line. Vertical lines have equation x equals, and looks like we're at x equals +2 is the equation of that vertical line. Now we need to know a width, how wide the parabola is. And for that we need the endpoints of the latus rectum. The latus rectum is a segment that goes through the focus from one side of the parabola to the other, and it's going to go 2A in either direction. So starting from the focus, I'm going to go 2 times 2, which is 4, in both directions. So I'm going to go up and down, since my parabola is opening left. There are the endpoints of my latus rectum. This is cheating, but I'm okay with that. My latus rectum endpoints are, looks like -2, 4, and -2, -4. And whatever way works for you. Some people like to find the coordinates first and then put them on the graph. For me, I like to find the points and then look where they are, put their coordinates. It's sort of all tied together in the end anyway, so whatever works better for you is fine. Let's actually draw the graph. So the focus is important, but it's not on the graph. So the graph is going to go through the vertex and these two endpoints, the 2 green points here. There's my parabola. We don't have an equation yet, so that's the next thing. Since my parabola is opening to the left, I know I'm going to have y squared and x not squared. I know the vertex, it's 0, 0. That's 0, 0. And I know the value of A from up here. A is -2, so we're going to fill in those blanks and come up with an equation. I'm not going to write y minus 0 squared. Y minus 0 is just y. 4 times -2 is -8. X minus 0 is x. And there we go.